Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today guys, I'm going to Gindolman to Cora's house for the update also. She called me yesterday because it's her birthday. It's Mike and her birthday guys. But sa talibon ko, so karon na lang ko mo visit nila. So see you there. I'll give you a update of her house. And also guys, this property, look at that. That's for the property for sale in our neighborhood. I will give you a tour later also. The house is so new, but the owner decided to stay in USA guys. That is why they want to sell it. So let's check that later. Hi guys, I'm going to buy some chocolates. Chocolate. Some cakes or cupcakes for kuan guys. Mike and Cora. Of cakes. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Len and Anthony Life in Philippines. So that's Cora's house guys. Wow, look, very nice. Look at, that's only the garage. Okay, let's go. I bought something for her. It's her birthday. Oh wow, wow, nag-improve guys. Oh, it's so nice. They're already painting it. Wow, this is gonna be nice. They will put a gym here guys. Mike have gym here. Look at that. That's the kuan there, the toilet. Wow, Mike garage is really fancy. It's nice. Nas, hi Nay. Cora. Nagon silang Mike? Silang duha? Look at that. It's very pretty. Wow, hapit na jud na human Nay. Gamay na lang jud kuwang. Wow. Hapit na. Yung gahapon na jud ko kaari kay dito may talibon. Ito kog talibon pag tawag ni Cora. Kog patay mo magdali-dali ko di na jud ko kaabot. Kabihian na jud. Hala oy, daghana namang nahuman. Hapit na nahuman.
Malagi
Atop na lang.
ang problema ginila atop mayo nga pud bakuan.
Still in ano sa Cebu
Pagod
manggod.
sila makao nga kay ang mga bildo po si bunggod po.
Oh, hashtag lang mga door sad, Cebu sad.
Oo. Mora lang nagi porma na lang mura na skeleton. Og makuan eh.
Hashtag trusses.
Tanan lagi.
Oh my God. We have a problem guys because all of the materials for this house is in Cebu. The roof, the glass, everything is in Cebu. The doors also in Cebu. They have sliding doors guys and all PVC. Everything is PVC. Wow. Looks so nice. Ah. So this, unsa gani ni din hinay? Kitchen? Mo ni kitchen ay no? So this is the kitchen.
Siya, kini may sala na ada kusina. Kwarto si Arian. Kini niya. Paano niya marag boards man siya.
Oh.
Gindoy ko na niya.
So mo ni kusina. Ani po kusina? Sala. So this is the kitchen, guys, and the dining room. Dinhi room? This is the rooms. Also have rooms here. Oh, wow. So this one is the kuan, guys. The bathroom. A bathroom here. They have a big bathroom. Look at that. This is the bathroom. Bathroom. They have a problem, guys, because ng roof, even the glass, the window, the door, it's all in kuan Cebu. Problema jud nyo kay Cebu man tanan nilang mga atop, mga kuan.
Agatop, pwede ra.
Pwede ra atop.
Matimig ko nung simuli.
Mo gani ang gunitan kay mo sambot niya gatas ni atong simul. You know, it's Cora's brother. You know, oh. Chag trasis ani kisa.
Pakawir man yung kamera.
Aka mura, so ag trasis dai. This is just a wood, guys. So it's only a wood.
Kasi buong dito ka ari, kamera nga bilang pa ni.
Kamar kay pa atop ani.
Bugi sila mo ari kay wala man kalapot.
Mo lagi.
Katong mga materyales sa ani kay murag sunod buwan yung guro abot na.
Next month, okay.
Liman kalapot tong to sibu kay to taong uyab to sibu ka ari ay kay. Uyab kay
Nalaming.
laming gani quarantine.
Nalaming.
Kung tinaw magpatapod duwa ka karon mo dito.
Basig pa silon gapon ka sa Air Force ha. You know, oh. Uy, grabe Cebu, uy. Diyos ko.
Daghan ko dito.
Grabe lockdown dito. Total lockdown gud ang uban. Dis la kagawas.
Tagalibon na kano. Ano ba talaga niya? Lalaki pa.
Magsaysay.
Magsaysay? Layo ipon.
Layo kayo bukid. Look at this. Hapit na dyan mo man. Pila na ni kabuan?
Kan siguro mga 4
4 months, wow. Daghan dyan. Magpabay ko eh. Ikaw akong imuong kuan oy. Oh my God. Wow. Look, let's go here. Oh, this kaninga kaang guys, they just made it. It's very pretty. Look at that. So nice. I want to make like this. Even there kaang hindot. Wow. I'm jealous about this kaang. I have like this too. And there kuan guys, laundry. Hello te. This is their laundry. Here they will wash clothes here. And they will put washing machine here. Look. That's the toilet. I like the tiles. Ako kayo ng toilet. Kita na itong lubot. And this one, the rooms also only have one room down there. Here guys, only one room. It's big, look. Only one. Also have a bathroom there. As you can see, also a bathroom, and this one surrounded by a glass, guys. Look at the view. You can see the view. Look at the view from here. It's very pretty, right, guys? Cora and Ling property are really beautiful. Look at that, oh. Hello. Very pretty. And let's go up. Look, this one have lights. See that one, guys? Have lights. Kada every stair, every step, guys, have lights. Oh, step. Lights. See this? They are the one who will make the trusses, guys. It's Cora's brother. Is the poor man. And this is the bathroom here. It's a big bathroom. Big bathroom, oh. Somebody din here. Glass, gihapon eh. Glass. Also a glass here. Under trusses is a wood.